Hey everybody, it's Tony and Petula.
And let's discover Ontario. We're in Lakefield today, which is just outside of Peterborough, and we're going on an art tour.
That's right, it's the Kawartha Autumn Studio Tour. Yeah, let's check it out.
Yep. Andrew, how would you describe the studio tour?
I'd say it's very eclectic. We have a range of artists. There's 31 on the tour this year. Well, 31 stops on the tour this year. We have a wide range of artists from painters, sculptors, woodworkers, ceramicists, even people working in felt and fabric. It's really eclectic, so we have such a wide range of artists, and all working in the local area as well, which is exciting. Here at the art gallery, we actually have a selection of all of the artists on view, so you're actually able to check out the artwork that is on display, so you can kind of come in first here and then kind of select the artists that you really inspire you or the ones that you really want to see and have a chance to go out and actually see them.
All right, what's next?
We're going to a textile artist in Lakefield.
It's a textile piece, obviously, done with silks and cottons and batiks. It's all hand worked. You just have to be open to things. That's why you're seeing a lot of different imagery in my work, from trees and mountains and rocks and the way the water flows around. And there's also a curious feel to these things that is different than a painting. Not better than, but different.
It's just different.
Different, more earthy.
My style of pottery is kind of whimsical, organic, I'd describe it as. I try and gear it to functional wear because, I've got to make a living. But I do love sculptural work too and hand-built forms. People get to meet when they come into the tour. They get to meet and speak to the artist, which often they don't get a chance to do.
Correct.
And see the work in progress. And actually purchase the work and get a feel for the business that we have.
So Frank, tell me a little bit more about your art form.
Well, what I do is woodturning. So I take pieces of wood that have either come from landfill sites or people have cut trees down, and I turn them into beautiful pieces of art, either platters or bowls or hollow forms. Things that people can appreciate, they can use functionally, or that they can just have in their kitchen or in their dining room as a piece of art.
Tell me a little bit more about felting as an art form.
Well, basically I do web felting, and so I use generally very fine merino wool. And the easy description is that I pull wisps of fiber off the roving, I put it into layers, and then adding soap and water and agitation of fibers, I make textile, just felt.
And this is one of your pieces.
Yes, this is a wrist cuff that I make. So, and I get the surface design by adding silk to the wool. So I make what's called silk pre-felts.
I love art.
Well, in this room are a lot of abstract paintings, but they're all based on nature because I live on a lake and I'm out in that environment, and so it internalizes, and that's what I do.
Well, that was our studio tour.
And our driving tour of the scenic route from Peterborough to Lakefield. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get to see the scenic drive and do it one day for yourself. Beautiful fall colors. So come out and enjoy. If you loved our video, hit subscribe and visit the links below for more info. Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Where do you think we should go next? Comment below with your suggestion or contact us on our website.
If you like this video, then subscribe for the next one.